Hi, I'm Ronnie. I'm a Chinese college student. This year I graduated. My roommate and I came to China, Yunnan for a graduation trip. On this trip, we will go to 3 cities, Lugu Lake, Lijiang, and Dali. We will go to Lugu Lake first and plan to fly to Lijiang today, and then take a 4-hour bus to Lugu Lake. This is old town of Lijiang. We will return here on Thursday. I watched many Yunnan food videos and I like Yunnan rice noodles the most. It have a smoother texture than noodles from the north and have more soup. 真的超级难吃。While waiting for the bus, I happened to buy freshly baked Yunnan flour cake. Before getting on the bus, we bought blueberries from a grandma's store on the street. Well, they are different from what I imagined, with a faint sweet taste. I prefer the mango here. We passed by the Jinsha River. I only have seen it in geography books before. We booked a lakeview room on the second floor of the Airbnb. It said that the room is American-Moroccan, with a wooden structure as a whole. And the light is a little dark. But we like this balcony so much. Lugu Lake is in front of me. I can shut off my brain and read books here. Outside the gate is a white lake. As for the dinner, we purchased a combo. Local specialty Muosuo for the rice is rich and loose. It's a bit difficult for me to record a mukbang video because I can't help eating them up immediately. Everyone went out for a walk.
我们现在正在往客栈方向走，然后今天的行程就算结束啦。现在外面的风很大，穿一件短袖真的好冷。泸沽湖晚上还是有一点光亮的，我们这边是在大洛水村，对面的话还挺好看的。第二天，今天早上起来一看，外面有那种很不光明。
Our plan today is to travel around the lake, take a boat, and then take a car.
Hello， 我们来到了泸沽湖的草滩，草海，然后我们的救生衣被偷走了。
On the far right is the man who helped us row. He is very enthusiastic and super handsome. The little girl sitting is his daughter. He told us that she would sit here every day, watching her dad rowing. We take a car to travel around the lake next. People who lived around the Lugu Lake practiced a system called 走婚 or walking marriage in the past. In Muosuo society, women hold the reins, matriarchal family as the core. A man and a woman who are in love don't establish connections through marriage. They each serve their own big family.
Huh?
There are prayer flags in many places in Yunnan, which are used to pray for blessings. When they wave in wind, we will feel the existence of faith and the purity of our hearts, just like the feeling Rugu Lake brings me. Next, I will introduce the most delicious Arab pork chicken I have eaten here. Corn pancakes next to the pot are soft on top, the shell is burnt and crispy. So you can soak them in the soup and absorb the soup. As we all know, the best food in a dry pot is vegetables. Lotus root has just the right taste. Potato strips are very soft and glutinous.
今天的 OOTD
不是，真的没有希望了吗？
悲伤。
你再找找去，行吧。
我们现在已经在丽江了，坐了4个小时的大巴从泸沽湖到了丽江古城，现在准备去束河古城逛一逛。
We rented a small electricity donkey from the nearest Airbnb. We are going to follow our mobile phone to ride to Shuhe for half an hour. We were a little nervous at first. We're riding a donkey in a strange city. Shuhe ancient town is very quiet and wild. Some tourists have lived here for a long time. A bonfire party is held here every night, where tourists and locals dance in circles. Flying eaves and corners are a major feature of Yunnan architecture. I've never seen a hydrangea blooming so vigorously. I just feel like I'm walking a garden. We ordered a milk fan at a snack store run by a couple. Their store has a wide variety of food. Well, it reminds me of Overcooked. Grilled milk fan is a must-eat snack in Yunnan. On the outside is made of milk and papaya. The inside is wrapped with rose sauce.
晚安，马卡巴卡。
好香呀！这个是一个火腿的粽子，里面是有肉吧，看起来很香。好喝，那种腊肉火腿，咸香口。We were so hungry on the way back, so we came to have a hamburger. We planned to walk around the ancient city of Lijiang at night. Evenings here are very lovely.
"没关系，又活了一天，已经很厉害了。"
The first thing we did when we arrived was to go straight to a very famous Yunnan dish. Fried beef with green peppers and the fried pork ribs are all delicious, as you can imagine. Well, the special dish is called 老奶洋芋.
这有点像我们家那个酸菜。
Actually, it's potatoes with Chinese pickled cabbage. Since there is no plane today, there is still a lot of time left. We suddenly decided to take our little donkey to Erhan Lake to chase sunset. There are many people riding in the rain like us on this road. This is our homestay in Dali. It's so sunny today. The yard is like a small garden where you can sit and drink tea.